This 2022 K-Z Sportsmen 302 BHK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 35 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, smoke detector, skylight, LP detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, microwave, DVD player, TV, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 K-Z Sportsmen 302 BHK is 8,680 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.